Hi everyone. Today let us see the agriculture data for 24-25 year. Coming to the land use indicators, the geographical area, total land area is 328.75 million hectares and forest area which includes 82.73 million hectares is under forest area constituting for 25.17% of the total area. Coming to the cropped area, the gross cropped area is 219.16 million hectare, which is 71.50% of the total area, with a net area sown of 141.01 million hectare, which is 46.01%. If you see the cropping intensity, it is high at 155.90%, indicating multiple cropping practices. And irrigation is the net irrigated area is 79.31 million hectares, representing 56.4% of the net area sown. And if you see the barren land, 16.55 million hectares is classified as barren and unculturable land, while 10.24 million hectares is used for permanent pastures and grazing. Coming to the macroeconomic indicators, it includes gross value added. Agricultural and allied sectors contribute 18% to GVA in 23-24, which valued at 48.77 lakh crore and 17.90% in 24-25, which valued at 53.85 lakh crore. The growth rates are projected at 1.4% for 23-24 and 3.8% for 24-25. The agriculture trade, total agricultural exports are valued at $51.91 billion, while imports stand at $38.5 billion, indicating a positive trade balance. If you see the employment indicators, there are 146.45 million operational holdings, with agriculture workers making up to 46.1% of the total workforce, totaling approximately 260 million agriculture workers in India. Coming to the food grains production for the year 24-25, it is based on the third advanced estimates. The total production, which includes India produced 353.95 million tons of food grains in 24-25. Let's see one by one the pulses and cereals. The production of cereals reached 328.72 million tons, which is the largest component of food grain output. Here you can see all the cereals like rice, wheat, maize, bajra, jawar, small millets, nutri or coarse cereals, etc. And coming to the pulses, pulses contributed 25.23 million tons to the total food grain production, highlighting their importance in the agricultural sector. Here, the total food grain production is also given, that is 353.95 million ton, which is during Kharif the production was 168.06 million ton, and during Rabi season it was 167.21 million ton, and during summer 18.67 million ton were produced. Coming to the area production and yield of oilseeds, the total area of oilseeds were cultivated over 30.26 million hectares, and the total production of oilseeds is estimated at 42.60 million tons, and the average yield across all oilseeds is 1408 kg per hectare, with individual crops like groundnut and castor seeds showing higher yields of 2067 kg per hectare and 1881 kg per hectare respectively, castor seeds and groundnut. Coming to the area and yield particulars of crops, paddy, the area under paddy was 51.42 million hectares in 24-25, with a yield of 2,899 kg per hectare, with top producing states being Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and West Bengal. In the same manner, wheat with an area of 32.76 million hectare in 24-25, with the leading states including Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. The I think no need of explanation as it is clearly depicted in the table. Just go through area yield and leading state for each maize, sorghum, bajra, and finger millet. It is of 23 and 24 and 24 for 25. These are the leading states. Same wise for small millets, red gram or Bengal gram, black gram, and castor seeds. Same rape seeds or mustard, cotton, jute, sugarcane, and small millets. Now let us see the horticulture crop statistics. The production Coming to the production estimates, the total horticulture production for 24-25 is estimated at 367.72 million tons, an increase from 354.74 million tons in 23-24. And area under cultivation is the area dedicated to the horticulture crop is 29.08 million hectares in 24-25, slightly down from 29.26 million hectares in 23 and 24. And the productivity of horticulture crops has improved to 12.59 tons per hectare in 24-25, up from 12.22 tons per hectare in the previous year, which indicating enhanced efficiency in production. Here remember the top three horticulture crops producing states in India, that is Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, and top three fruit producing states in India, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh, and top three vegetable producing states, that is Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Maharashtra. The total contribution of horticulture sector to the agriculture gross value added is 33.33%. Coming to the area and production particulars of horticulture crops, the total area in 2024-25, the area under horticulture crops is estimated at 29.20 million hectares, showing a slight increase from 29.08 million hectares in 2023-24. And coming to the total production, the production of horticulture crops is projected to reach 367.72 million tons in 24-25, and increase from 355.54 million tons in the previous year. And coming to the productivity of horticulture crops has improved to 12.59 tons per hectare in 24-25 compared to 12.22 tons per hectare in 23-24, reflecting advancement in agricultural practices. Here, the top three states in vegetable productions and top three states in fruit production are also given. The top three states in vegetable production are Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh, and top three states in fruit production are Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh. The table depicts the area and production of fruits and vegetables. Just read it by yourself. Area is given here of 23 and 24, and the production of 23-24, and the area of 24-25, and the production which is given in million tons in 24-25. The main purpose of MSP is the MSP system is designed to protect farmers from price fluctuations and encouraging the production of essential crops, thereby stabilizing the agricultural economy. For kharif crops, the MSP for key kharif crop includes paddy common at rupees 2,369 and tur at rupees 8,000 and groundnut at rupees 7,263 among others, aimed at ensuring farmers receive a fair compensation. And MSP for Rabi crops. For Rabi crops, wheat is set at rupees 2425 and barley at rupees 1980 and rapeseed and mustard at rupees 2775, providing a safety net for farmers during Rabi season. Coming to the organic certification promotion programs in India and promotion of organic agriculture by Government of India. The first one is National Program for Organic Production, that is known as NPOP. This program establishes standards for organic farming and certifies organic products, ensuring they meet quality and safety requirements. The second one is Participatory Guarantee System, PGS India, a locally focused certification system that promotes organic farming through community participation, enabling farmers to certify their products based on peer reviews. Coming to the promotion initiatives, the Government of India promotes organic agriculture through various schemes like the Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY), Mission Organic Value Chain Development of Northeastern Region, and Zero Budget Natural Farming (ZBNF), aiming to enhance organic farming practices and increase farmers' income. Coming to the fertilizer scenario of 24-25, the production statistics which include in 2023-24, India produced a total of 50.50 million tons of fertilizer products, which includes 31.41 million tons of urea and 4.29 million tons of DAP and 4.43 million tons of SSP. And coming to the nutrient breakdown, the total production of nitrogen fertilizer nutrient source 17.11 million tons, while phosphorus included nutrients totaled of 4.88 million tons, leading to a combined N plus P2O5 production of 21.99 million tons. And the NP bar NPKs fertilizers, the production of fertilizer products reached 9.55 million tons, highlighting the emphasis on balanced nutrient application to enhance agricultural productivity. Let's see now pesticide consumption scenario. The registered pesticides as of 24-25 was India has a total of 359 registered pesticides, which includes 282 insecticides, 109 herbicides, and various formulations of fungicides and biopesticides. Coming to the banned and restricted pesticides, there are 49 pesticides banned for manufacture, import, and use, along with 5 formulations banned for use but still manufactured for export, and 16 pesticides restricted for use in the country. The combination formulations include the market also includes combination formulations with 157 insecticides and 123 fungicides, indicating a diverse approach to pest management in agriculture. Coming to the agriculture programs launched during 24-25, the first one is Digital Agriculture Mission, which was launched in September 2024 with a budget of 2,817 crore. This mission aims to create digital public infrastructure (DPI) for agriculture, enhancing data-driven decision-making and services for farmers through components like AgriStack and Krishi DSS. Some of the components include AgriStack and Krishi Decision Support System, that is Krishi DSS, and Soil Profile Mapping, Digital General Crop Estimation Survey, that is DGCES, which enhance the accuracy of crop yield estimates through thoroughly and scientifically designed crop cutting experiments. Over 61 million farmers in 14 states received digital IDs called Kisan Pecha Patra, containing details like landholding and cropping patterns. And the second one is Krishi Sakhi Convergence Program, which is also known as KSCP, which was launched by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Ministry of Rural Development. The target is to train and certify 70,000 Krishi Sakhis in a phased manner, which aligns with the Lakpati Didi Yojana. The goal is 3 crore income generating through self-help group of women. The objective of this program is to empower rural women to become para-extension workers in natural farming and soil health management. Some of the key roles of Krishi Sakhis are act as a farmer's friend at doorstep, practicing farmers trained in agriculture, and to provide education, skills, and guidance in natural farming techniques and soil health practices. The third program is Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. This program focuses on developing 100 agri-districts to improve productivity, crop diversification, and sustainable practices, targeting 1.7 crore farmers in districts with low agricultural performances. If we see the latest ICR news, a nationwide campaign launched by ICR to modernize Indian agriculture through scientific outreach, sustainable practices, and farmer empowerment in alignment with Vikasit Bharat 2047 is Vikasit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan from May 29, 2025 to June 12, 2025. It aims to cover over 65,000 villages across 723 districts, which is expected to directly engage more than 1.3 crore farmers for promoting sustainable agricultural growth. And One Scientist, One Product program, which is initiated by ICAR on July 16, 2024. This program aims to enhance research efficiency in agriculture by assigning specific products to individual scientists with goals of developing 100 new seed varieties and farm technologies within 100 days. ICR Decade of Agriculture Innovation 2014-15 to 2023-24, the total high-yielding varieties released were 2,593, in which climate-resilient varieties of 2,177, 83% of the total, and biofortified crop varieties includes 150, and total area under biofortified varieties are 16 million hectares. And here it is given the crop-wise breakdown of area under biofortified varieties. Just read it. Now let us see the world's first genome-edited rice variety, which is developed by ICR. That was DRR Dhan 100, which is also known as Kamala, and Pusa DST Rice 1. The impact on cultivation was cultivating these genomes-edited rice varieties over 5 million hectares can potentially increase paddy production by 4.5 million tons and reduce greenhouse gas emission by approximately 32,000 tons. Let us see one by one. DRR Dhan 100, that is Kamala, which is also drought tolerance, developed by ICAR IIRR. This drought tolerant variety targets the cytokinin oxidase 2 gene, offering early maturity of within 130 days, high nitrogen use efficiency, and superior yield of 5.37 tons per hectare while saving significant irrigation water. And the second one is Pusa DST rice one, that is Pusa drought and salinity tolerance, which is developed by ICAR IRI. This variety is designed for drought and salinity tolerance, enhancing yields under stress condition up to 30.4% higher in coastal salinity and contains no foreign DNA, making it comparable to conventional varieties. The research institutes. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR, encompasses 71 research institutes dedicated to advancing agricultural research and innovations. Coming to the national bureaus and projects, ICAR includes 6 national bureaus and 82 all India coordinated research projects, along with network research projects aimed at addressing diverse agricultural challenges. Coming to the agriculture universities and centers, this ICAR umbrellas cover 731 Krishi Vignan Kendras and various agriculture universities, including 63 state agriculture universities, 4 deemed universities, and 3 central agricultural universities, promoting education and technology transfer in agriculture. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a glance on agricultural data 24/25. If you like the content, please share and subscribe. Thank you once again.